Hello there, students. This is Miss H. Today I'm going to show you how to use an online mind mapping program called MindMeister. MindMeister is a really cool tool to help us brainstorm ideas, organize our thoughts, and just kind of map out our thinking. Once you're on mindmeister.com, I want you to look for the blue brainstorming mind map and click Use. Blue brainstorming. There we go. This opens up a brainstorming map like this. Oh, and if this pop-up is bothering you, you just click it to hide it away. In the first big cloud bubble, we're going to type in our big idea. It could be like a big topic or an essential question. How can we make our schoolyard more welcoming for wildlife? Next, you'll start thinking and talking and sharing with your table team all of your good ideas, like brainstorming. Then you'll be ready to add your ideas to the mind map. So let me show you how to do that. Do you see this plus sign button up here in the blue bar? It's going to be your MindMeister BFF because it lets you add your ideas. To add an idea, just click it, and you'll notice a little bubble opens up for you to type in. And don't worry, it'll get bigger when you start typing. Provide more food sources. When you have your next idea ready, just click to add it. Provide more sources of shelter. You can also add details about a particular idea. In order to do that, just click the bubble that you want it to be attached to. So for example, when I put more food sources, I'm going to click it and add a specific one, like a bird feeder. Oops. Let me fix how that's spelled. For example, when I want to put more specific ideas about the shelter, I'll click it and add examples of shelter, like a bird house or like a toad house. Before I go, I'd like to show you a couple more tools that you might choose to use on MindMeister. On the left side, you can use the target button to center everything. Cool, and you can use the minus and plus to kind of zoom in and out. Whoa, too much. Okay, don't worry about this part. Okay, this arrow tool is a way for you to connect similar ideas together or related ideas. This button here will delete a whole bubble, so be careful if you want to using that one. Cool, and this arrow undoes the most recent thing you added. On the right side, this is a fun little toolbox here. In this section, you can make the words larger or smaller. Okay, you can make them be in bold or italics, or you could even add color if you wanted to, or an emoji if you wanted to. Well, that's an introduction for MindMeister. I hope it helps you brainstorm and organize your thinking. Bye-bye.